Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got a beautiful brokerage listing to show you guys today. This one is a 2022 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. Absolutely gorgeous condition. Just finished a detail. Look at the shine on the hull sides. This is an all black hull. No bottom paint on this boat. It comes with the trailer. It's got the dune interior. Gorgeous color scheme. The black and the dune. Powered by a 150 4-stroke Mercury outboard. Let's look at that shine. Beautiful. Quick exterior walkthrough, and then I'll hop up and show you guys some of the features on board. Boat has under 50 hours of use on it. It's been dry stack kept here on Wrightsville Beach. Like I said, it does come with the trailer. As you can see, we've got sea deck on the swim platform here. We've got a 4-step telescoping boarding ladder on the port side of the platform. American flag is attached to the ski tow pylon for all your water sports. Incredibly family friendly, but still sport boat. Stepping down into the cockpit here. You can see just how much seating there is. Look at the dash. Beautiful layout. Up here in the bow area, we've got the filler cushion set up right now. Give you one big sun pad, lounging area, room for the kids to play. You can always remove that and just have the normal U-shaped bow seating area. Upholstery's in beautiful condition. Bimini top keeping us nice and shaded. You've got the anchor locker up front, as well as your nav lights. Moving backward on the boat. Let's go back to the helm. You can see here that the engine only has about 47 hours on it. You got your tachometer on there, as well as the digital hour meter. You've got your Simrad touchscreen display, your GPS bottom reader, fuel gauge, trim level, some of your switches. You've got bilge pump and ignition on that side. You got your lighting, as well as the Premier stereo upgrade. You got the sub right behind the helm chair. The helm chair does swivel as well as slide. And you can also slide it back if you need more room. Flip down bolster. This boat does have the blue LED lighting package, the stainless steel upgrades throughout. Like I said, this boat just had a full detail. Absolutely beautiful condition. This port side, you've got 3 different positions. One folded all the way down, another how you just saw it, positioned here for aft facing seating, as well as standard forward facing. It's nice, it's got cushions on both sides. Under basically everything, you've got storage. You've got fenders in here. We've got some lines in here. We've got a built-in insulated cooler right here with the quick drain. And if that's not enough cooler space, we've also got the removable igloo cooler here. Obviously, you've got a very nice sun pad area here. You can adjust the backrest for when you're hanging out at the sandbar. You want to face backward towards the beach or towards the water. But if the storage that we saw already wasn't enough, we've got this huge storage compartment back here. We've got life vests, coolers, as well as access to some of the rigging in the back. Beach chairs, towels, deflated tubes, water sports equipment. And for those who love to fish, you can always throw some fishing rods down below. Again, you can put your water skis, wakeboards, deflated tubes, knee boards, whatever kind of gear you want. Throw it down there and it's totally out of the way. Like I said, this boat is dry stack kept here on Wrightsville Beach. The slip is available for local buyers. Should you need a place to keep it in town. Beautiful boat, optioned very well, gorgeous condition, following its detail, ready for its next owner, and it comes with the trailer. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat for me, please give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2022 210 SPX Outboard by Simrad. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.